It didn't feel real at first. Like, I saw the email and I immediately forwarded it to Angela. So I was like, so I won this award and now I have free registration, I can go, right? Like, this is something that like you guys are okay with. And then it was forwarded to other members of the firm and to our marketing director. And I mean, it was really exciting because I thought it was something that I wanted to do, and now it's okay, well, it's free registration, I'm gonna be able to do it now. So yeah, it was exciting, for sure it was exciting. And I have a lot of friends that I went to law school with that practice trademark law as well throughout the country, and now it was, well, I don't have to only connect with people that I went to school with or connect with people that I know in North Carolina, but immediately I have a reputation to meet people and connect with trademark attorneys from around the world. And that was the most exciting part for me, is this is a gateway to those connections.
Which is a huge benefit for our firm in terms of usually when we bring younger attorneys, they are directly tied and matched to a senior attorney, and so you go to all the same meetings, and so it's very hard to broaden network. Whereas Erica hit the ground running, right? She was last year introducing me to people, which was amazing, right? And so we've made connections, we've met new foreign associates and that type of thing, and so that's been a huge win for the firm. I was very excited and very proud to share it with all our partners, all our colleagues. I got it directly to marketing immediately, and I said we need to show all our clients how wonderful we are right from the get-go in terms of, look at what our young attorneys are doing.
So going to a leadership meeting as I think at the time I'd only been practicing for a year, it felt like a little bit of an imposter. Like how do I get to be in a room with people that have been involved in INTA for as long as they have? And that experience is just, people care what I think, and they care what the next generation of trademark attorneys think, and they want them involved and want them to participate. That was the highlight for going to DC and going to the leadership conferences. I'm being asked to not only participate and people being hospitable and glad that I'm there, but I'm being asked to set up to be involved, and not just for my benefit or my firm's benefit, but be involved to help write articles or help be in the thought process of what the committees do. And that was probably the highlight of the leadership conference, was just that feeling of, not only is this a benefit to you, but it's a benefit for us, for you to be here. And for the annual meeting, with the amount of registrants that are there, over 10,000 registrants, I love meeting new people, and I love being in a space where it's just like a lot of chaos and a lot of people to meet, but even I was overwhelmed. And I walked in having a schedule for me and having things that are at least set, where I had lunches or meetings or people to meet or take me places, and I was really grateful for that opportunity, because of course I had Angela to help show me around and meet people, but I also had people that I met at the leadership conference that were excited to meet me and take me to different events with them. So it was like a handout to pull me in and get me involved that a lot of younger attorneys I don't think have.
We had a lot of meetings that were together because I did want her to kind of understand how the business development piece works, the networking piece works. But it did position her in a way that a lot of younger other attorneys are not capable of setting their own meetings and getting on committees and being part of moving where our whole career in legal industry is going. Being part of that at so young was, I think, monumental for her.
I'm on the copyright committee, and through that, I'm in the group that analyzes overlapping issues with copyright and trademark law. What made it appealing was it was something that I could participate in and learn that I could directly connect to our clients, because all of our clients, or not all, but most have logos. And if there are issues and ways to advise clients on whether they should seek copyright protection and why they shouldn't, I wanted to know that. And I wanted to be in a room full of people that are analyzing the way that the law overlaps. I think that young practitioners should identify why they want to go to the conference and what they've done in the past to prove that that's why they want to go. Because it's not only retrospective of I'm qualified to win this award, but it's very much here's why I'm going to set up the future of myself in this organization, and here's how I'm going to contribute, and here's what I'm going to do. And applications that focus too much on the past of why I think I should win are probably going to be disregarded for the ones that are more future oriented of what they want to do when they're there and what they're going to do in the future. So that would be my advice. So immediately when you win the award, you have an introduction to a diverse group of experienced members of INTA, whether it's through the Young Practitioners Committee or through the committee that you choose, and taking advantage of getting to know those people and not just attending the receptions with people you already know, but using those people that you're introduced to meet other people and go to events by yourself and go to things you might not otherwise go to would be the way to make the most of it, because you're not going to benefit from staying comfortable and doing what might feel like something that's going to be safe, but kind of taking the risk to do new things and meet new people would be the best advice.